Hi Jesse, it's Chris Reed here from Art SEO, and I've put together this video to show you just what the huge potential that's lying out there for your website. Look, I know that we were originally talking about Facebook marketing, and I'm certainly happy to continue talking about that, but I just wanted to show you what is available in regards to search engine optimization, like the free organic traffic that comes through Google, which often converts a lot better too, because you're leveraging the brand of Google. So what I've done is I've typed into Google site and your domain name, and so this shows all of your URLs that are indexed in Google. And I can see here that McAllen personal injury lawyer is your main keyword. So I searched that in Google, and there's your ad up, number one. Cool. And there's your ad again. And here you are ranked at number 2. So that's pretty good. The problem is this doesn't have a huge amount of search volume, but I dare say that it does convert for you, as you've got 2 ads showing. So that's fantastic. So I had a little look at what keywords that you are ranking for, and you rank for 309 keywords, which generates you around 705 visitors, and they're really valuable keywords that you do rank for, because that 705 visitors, if you were to pay for them all with Google AdWords, it would cost you almost $6,000. And I can see over the last year that you've been doing really well with increasing your rankings. You've gone from around 250 visitors every day right up to nearly 700. So yeah, that's a fantastic growth in a year. So you're doing something right, but there's still so much more potential. So what I've done here is put a filter on all the keywords you rank for. Sorry if you can hear that drilling, the construction next door. It's doing my head in. But I put a filter on and added just the keyword law. So these are just the keywords that you rank for with law in it, like lawyer. And there's a few here that you're number 1 for and number 2. And you can see that this second column here is their search volume. And so you can see that it stops here. So you've got about 25 odd keywords that you're in the top 10 for, which is a good start. But then look at all these ones that you're not ranking for. There's heaps of them. And like crash lawyer, it's got 480 search volume. It's huge. 18-wheeler accident lawyer, 110. Car crash lawyer, 320. Driving laws in Texas, 140. Not the most relevant, but you get the idea. There's a whole host. That list there, it's thousands of keywords. So next thing I did was rank the keywords by their cost per click. So if you were to buy these keywords in Google AdWords, this one here, 18-wheeler accident lawyer, which you rank number 54 for, would cost a whopping $259.58. Man, you lawyer AdWords are super expensive. So then I went to Google, typed in 18-wheeler accident lawyer, and I can see that you're bidding on this keyword as well, so you must know that it converts well, I gather. But this guy is the number 1 search result, and this is going to get a lot more clicks than these ads. Your ad is here, but this guy's going to get more clicks. And the reason why is because they have more trust. Visitors know that these are ads. Visitors also know that these are the websites that Google recommends, and that builds authority and trust. And he doesn't have to pay for it, so it's fantastic for him. Google wishes people would click on these more. They play with the ads to try and get as many clicks as they can, because that's how they make money. They don't make money through organic. So I had a look to see why these guys are ranking so well. And so the basics of how Google work is authority. The more people that are linking to you and talking about you, the more authority your brand has. And the bigger your brand and trust, the higher you'll rank for keywords. And so we have a way to look at that too. And so here I've got your website, and it's got a trust flow of 5. And trust flow of 5 is quite low. Like it's a logarithmic scale of 0 to 100. And you got that 5 because you've got 66 domains linking to you. And I haven't looked through them, but I'm sure that they're not very good domains, because I'd expect 66 domains to have a higher trust flow. Where if we look at your competitor, he has a massive 43 trust flow. That is really very high. And he has that because he has 624 domains linking to him. So that's, builds up so much more trust and authority with Google. And if we look at what that does to his rankings, he's ranking for 501,000 keywords, generating 10,000 visitors a day. If he was to buy this traffic, look at this crazy number, $518,000. I mean, that is crazy. And so that's what the difference between a trust flow of 5 and a trust flow of 43 is going to do. Your $5,800 worth of traffic to his $518,000. So I hope you can see just the whooping huge potential there. So who am I anyway? Well, that's me. My name's Chris Reed. I'm the CEO and founder of Audit SEO, and we specialize in working with companies like you to help people that are looking for your products and services to find you and pick up the phone and call you. We really specialize in SEO and also Facebook marketing. I hope you can really see the potential here. So my question for you today is, would you like me to put together a strategy of how we can generate thousands of more visitors to your website each and every month? Some questions I'd like to ask you to ask yourself, which I'm sure you already know, is what's your average customer worth? What's your conversion rate from your phone calls? What's your conversion rate from your website? You seem very active on AdWords, so I'm pretty sure you already have that information. So if you then think, what's an extra 1,000 visitors to my website going to do each and every month? I am sure it's going to make your business explode. So really, if you want me to put together a strategy for you and have a chat, all you need to do is click the button below this video. It'll pop up my calendar. Just find a date and time that suits you, lock it in, and we can have a chat. So Jesse, I hope you found that video interesting and informative, and I hope you'll be booking in a chat and we'll be speaking soon. Anyway, thank you very much for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.